Good. Here go. 1, 2, 3, go. What is microscope? Tara, go.
So, microscope is an optical instrument for viewing small objects such as mineral sample or animal or plant cell, typically magnified several hundred times. And did you know that the first compound microscope was made by Heinz and Zacharias Janssen in the year of 1590?
1, 2, 3, go.
What are the parts of microscope?
This picture right here is a simple compound microscope that we use today. As you can see, the microscope is composed of at least two main parts. This is the magnifying parts and the illuminating parts, or also known as the lighting parts. The magnifying parts. These are the parts used to magnify the object, and it is composed of the eyepiece, draw tube, body tube, revolving nose piece, and the objectives. Let's start with the eyepiece. The eyepiece is used where the person or the man operating the microscope can see the magnified object. And the draw tube and body tube connects the eyepiece to the revolving nose piece and objectives. Revolving nose piece. It is used to control or adjust the kind of objective you want to use in magnifying the specimen. The objectives. Objectives of a simple compound microscope usually have 3 or more, or 4. It has the 4 times, 10 times, 40 times, and 100 times of magnification. Let's head to the illuminating parts. The illuminating part is also known as the lighting parts. It is composed of a mirror, diaphragm, and a condenser. The mirror is the one who collects the light and leads it to the diaphragm. The diaphragm is the one who adjusts the size of the cone of the light that enters through the condenser. But as well as the condenser is used to adjust the amount of light that you want to produce for the stage. And you see right here is the rest of the parts of the compound microscope. It is composed of the coarse adjustment knob and the fine adjustment knob, also known as the coarse focus and the fine focus. And this is the arm and the base, as well as the stage. The coarse adjustment knob is used to adjust the elevation of your magnifying parts. This is the eyepiece, body tube, revolving nose piece, and the objectives. And the fine focus is used to slightly adjust the elevation, but it is mainly used to focus the specimen. And the arm is the one who connects the upper part of the microscope and the lower part of the microscope. And base is used to support the whole microscope. Here is the inclination joint. It is used to adjust the angle of your microscope, and the stage right here is used to hold the specimen that you want to be magnified.
1, 2, 3, go.
How to use microscope?
Upon using the microscope, you are going to use the eyepiece to view the specimen. But before that, you are going to place your specimen onto the stage, and you are going to use the stage clip to stabilize the specimen. After that, you're going to check again to the eyepiece. And now, you can use the coarse adjustment knob to find the intensity of magnification. And you can also use the objective lenses to find the correct magnification. And after that, you're going to find a light source. And now, you're going to use the fine adjustment knob to bring out the details of your specimen. Yeah,
1, 2,
1, 2, 3, go.
Thanks for watching!